Welcome to another video right here on FE Builds. We've got a mod that we want to put on Mando the Jeep. We've got a Jeep RC over there, that's a CJ7, and it's also been modded quite extensively. But you know, on this channel we love to do mods and we love to do experiments. So we got this oil pan from Pacific Performance Engineering, and I've heard a lot of good things about this company. So I want to just try this out and see how it works. As you know, Mando is an old Jeep. It's a JK 3.8. It's got the engine from the minivan. But it says over here, high performance neodymium magnet. That's on the oil drain plug. So I'm hoping that it's going to catch a lot more of the forbidden glitter that we always find in our oil pans or in our oil that we've changed. And if anything does happen in the future where there's a lot more shavings in there, I'm hoping it's going to catch it all, just to sort of prolong the life of the engine. Apparently it's also got a flat bottom on the inside, so we're going to see that, so that all the oil drains out completely, and we're going to see that when I do the unboxing right now. In the stock standard oil pan, I believe there's a certain amount of oil that still remains behind, and it's possible for deposits to remain in there and some forbidden glitter. So it's nice to have one that drains out completely when you do an oil change. It's made of high grade heat treated A365 T6 aluminum for optimum heat dissipation. So I'm hoping this will also help cool down the engine, and it's got fins, external cooling fins, that add strength and also reduce oil temperature, which is always a good thing. We don't want to reduce the temperature too much. We want to keep it in operation or optimal operation conditions or temperature, but we also don't want it to get too hot. Because when it gets too hot, then you reduce the lifespan of your oil. Now one may argue and say, why don't you just use a thicker viscosity oil? This situation over here is just a test, so let's see how it goes. It says it's got a 1/8 inch NPT plug for optional temperature probe, which is always nice. I like to monitor the temperature on the water and on the oil, and this has it already drilled in on the sump, so we don't have to drill and make our own to get it fitted. It's got gussets on the side there, and they add additional strength to the housing, so I'm hoping this will work out well. Now let's open the box and let's see what comes inside. I'm just going to open the box and cut off all the tape and stuff, spare that, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, so I just cut all the tape and we're opening the box. Let's see what comes in this package. Okay, so we get replacement bolts. We get some free stickers. I think these are $5 each on the website. As you can see already, it seems to be more of a flat design, and those sections in there reinforce the whole sump pan, but they don't restrict the oil to stay in that certain place over there. They've got grooves so that the oil can flow through and flow down. So obviously when draining this, we'll give it a bit more time. And as you can see, the sump plug is actually really lower. It's much lower than the others down there. So let's take this out and let's have a look at it. It's got these protective covers on the corners. Okay. Taking this all off. Let's have a look at which one they sent me. I'm hoping it's the black one with the polished pins. Okay, let's just check if there's anything else in the box before we take that out. It's quite heavy. Okay, the packet is actually sealed, so stand by. I'll be back. Okay, and I'm back. I've got the pan out. Just gonna take a nice look at this. For any cracks from new, or is it perfect? so that's all around. Just checking to see if there's any cracks inside. Doesn't look like it. We're looking very carefully over here. And as you can see, it's almost like it slopes down, so it slopes towards that drain plug that's on the back over here. And yes, they did send me the black one that comes with the brushed fins at the bottom, and it says PPE. That's quite cool. I'm quite keen to get this installed. It's got fitting over here that's currently plugged. It's sealed, but that's to fit a oil temperature sensor if you want to, which I do want to. I want to see how that's going to work out and the whole process with it. I'm just looking on the side here. Is this a crack or no? It's just some silicone. So there's the sump pan, and we're going to get this installed at some stage on Mando, the Jeep, and hopefully this will cool the oil down a few degrees. I just love the way it looks.